Welcome to another series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is rare earth metals. Let us know why is it in news. Recently, the Confederation of Indian Industry (CII) has urged the government to encourage private sector mining in the rare earth minerals sector to counter India's reliance on China for import of such minerals. Let us know what are rare earth metals. They are a set of 17 metallic elements. It includes the 15 lanthanides, atomic numbers 57, which is lanthanum 271 in the periodic table, plus scandium atomic number 21 and yttrium atomic number 39. They are called rare earth because earlier it was difficult to extract them from their oxides forms technologically. They occur in many minerals but typically in low concentrations and need to be refined in an economical manner. These minerals have unique magnetic, luminescent and electrochemical properties. Thus, they are used in many modern technologies. Let us look at India's scenario. India has 6% of the world's rare earth reserves. It only produces 1% of global output and meets most of its requirements of such minerals from China. Some rare earth elements are available in India, which include lanthanum, cerium, neodymium, praseodymium, and samarium, etc. In India, monazite and thorium is the principal source of rare earth elements. Let us look at India's current policy on rare earth. Exploration in India has been conducted by the Bureau of Mines and the Department of Atomic Energy. India has granted government corporations such as IREL a monopoly over the primary mineral that contains REE. IREL produces rare earth oxides, which is low cost, low reward upstream processes. It also sells these to foreign firms that extract the metals and manufacture end products elsewhere. IREL's focus is to provide thorium extracted from monazite to the Department of Atomic Energy. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements regarding the rare earth metals. India has 6% of the world's rare earth reserves. China is the main supplier of such metals to India. Which of the above given statements is or are correct? One only, two only, both one and two, neither one nor two. You can send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned with us.
Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.